Good morning, good morning. Come along with me to the gym. First thing I do when I wake up is check my phone, and then I end up getting out of bed, putting my robe on because it's mad cold in my room. I don't know what the issue is. But as soon as I have my robe on, I go straight to the bathroom, and then I make my bed. I think making your bed is a great way to start off your day. It just makes everything more organized, and it makes the rest of your room look really organized, or just more put together, more clean. So that's just what I'm doing. Now I'm just showing y'all about to wash my face and brush my teeth off camera. I just finished doing that, and I air dry my face. And then I just put some lotion on. I usually do a whole skincare, but because I'm going to the gym, I don't want all of that like acne lotion to sweat off. Putting on some chapstick, and yeah. My go-to for the gym is leggings and a shirt always, and a hoodie as well, but I will be going more into detail in a few seconds. Okay, so here's the outfit on. Regular gray shirt, regular mocha, lavender, I don't know. Me and Ty are debating whether this is like gray. On the tag it said mocha, so it's mocha. But both of these are from Marshalls. If you want, what's the word? If you want affordable athletic wear, then I say go to Marshalls and get it. If you don't want to spend like a whole lot, $50 on one shirt, and then like $75 on the pants. No, the pants are like $17, and the shirt was like $10. Put my hair in a ponytail. I really want to put it up, but I want to keep my hair fresh for the rest of the day because I do have class. But we're just gonna pack my gym bag. Also, we wearing the old Faithfuls. Like, don't look at them too much. They're gym shoes. But let's pack my bag. Water is a necessity. I have this pack of resistance bands for leg workouts or whatever. I have machine gloves, gym gloves to help. It's to help the palms of your hand to make sure they don't get like calluses on them. I have a waist thingy, a sweatband. Bringing that. It's new. Also got that from Marshalls. Not expensive. I'll probably wear a hoodie because it's raining outside. It's a little chilly and it's still winter. But this is how everything looks. I just had like a few pieces of fruit because I normally don't eat before I go to the gym, but my mom and my friends keep telling me to stop doing that, so I stopped doing that. Actually, I haven't stopped doing that, but I'm gonna stop doing it today. But yeah, let's see if we can take you to the gym. It's a public gym, so like if people is in the background, I probably won't. But if it's just me and Ty doing something, then I probably will. Keys and some type of chapstick and a mask is also going in my bag. So I'll see you guys at the gym. We at the gym, y'all. I'm just starting off with some weights and a mat and stretching and all of that. Here's just an overview of some of the gym routines that I have. I did do leg day this day. So just focus on that. You can pause it, read what you need to. Great. As you see, I'm just putting on my gym gloves, getting ready to just hop into my workout routine. We're starting off with RDLs. Honestly, I do 3 sets of 10 and usually 15-pound weight dumbbells or whatever. So I just do that. Then I move on to sumo squats. I usually do this with a kettlebell, but I don't have one. They didn't have one at the gym, so I just did it with the dumbbells. 3 sets of 10 for that as well. We are now moving on to lying down hip abductors. When I tell y'all this be burning, and it be, yo, you see my face, like it looks crazy. It feels crazy, but it's really good, and it really gets that good burn on. I do 3 sets of 10 on each side for this exercise as well. I really had to massage it out because it was burning. I'm just showing my roommate do her side squats. She was doing that for a little minute. Now I was just doing the leg press. I believe I was doing like 80. I don't know. It was my first time back in the gym since break, so I did like 3 sets of 10 of this as well. Push through it, let it burn. After this, we are switching locations. We are now in the downstairs weight room. Me and Ty decided to do some Bulgarian split squats. These really will do you in. Like, I haven't seen the results of it yet, but it does burn, and it's targeting what I needed to target. So it's doing the job. It's getting the job done. Now you see us stretching. This was at the end of my workout. Of course, I did other exercises that I didn't put in, such as hip thrust. I did
other squats with the barbell. It was just a lot of other leg exercises that I did, but I couldn't show because I was literally in the middle of working out. But make sure that you stretch and take time for recovery. As you see, now I'm doing what everyone always does in the gym, look in the mirror to see if there's any change, even though you will not be seeing change the first day. As you see, I'm getting Ty's attention, and we're just goofing off, looking in the mirror, doing different poses.
But this is the end of the video. Say bye, Ty. Bye. Hopefully in a few months, if we do a video like this again, you'll see the difference in our bodies. Make sure you come back for another piece of cake.
Mikaylah Rochelle is out.
Take you there.